Be thawed out now for a while throughout much of this week. Dominic, it's beautiful outside. 60 degrees right now downtown Denver. Sun doesn't set until just before 6 p.m., so we still have about another 5.5 hours of daylight. And if you can't get out and enjoy the beautiful weather this afternoon, you're going to get several more opportunities this week. Gorgeous in the mountains as well. Top of Durkham Mountain up at the Keystone Ski Resort. Remember, plenty of sunscreen necessary if you're going to be skiing or riding the next several days. And no new snow on the way anytime soon for our mountains. And I guess we can say that's okay. Most of our river basins are in pretty good shape right now, 95% compared to what's normal here at the very end of February. Average high in March is 56, average low is 28. March is often thought of as a spring month, and it technically is, but in Colorado, it's usually still pretty chilly in March. In fact, it still ranks in the bottom half of our temperatures. It's the fifth coldest month of the year. We average almost an inch of precipitation in March. A lot of it is snow. It is our snowiest month of the year with almost a foot on average. April is second. This has been a very snowy February. In fact, this month's going to become the 14th snowiest February ever recorded in Denver's history, and we still have our snowiest months ahead of us. Last year, we had more than 30 inches of snow in March. Remember that? So we'll see what happens this year. Ronald's in Lakewood with 55 degrees. Kimberly up in Como, 42. Up there in Park County, she says Bluebird Day. First time in over 2 weeks. They could get out and go for a walk, 4-mile walk this morning. I'm impressed. Temperatures in the 60s across the eastern plains here this afternoon. 40s for most mountain towns, 40s on the western slope as well. The map for tomorrow doesn't look all that much different, but you will notice a few more 70s showing up in eastern Colorado. And we think we could get to 70 in Denver on Wednesday. It's possible we could get there on Thursday as well, although Thursday will likely include some extra clouds that will likely hold us back. We started the day with some cloud cover, and as expected, everything has moved east. Still a few clouds near Lamar up to Burlington. Storm system in the Pacific Northwest, lots of rain up in Portland and Seattle. High pressure in California is going to make its way east into Colorado over the next few days. This is what's going to keep us relatively mild and dry. And then a storm system that's currently about 2,000 miles away from us out in the Pacific Ocean. It'll move into our region on Friday. It's going to send a cold front in our direction late Friday. It should be a decent day most of the day on Friday, but behind that front, we're going to see wet weather develop on Friday night, and eventually, as temperatures turn cold enough, we'll see some rain change into snow as we get into the daytime on Saturday. Still a lot of questions, Dominic, on just how much snow is going to be able to accumulate in Denver, but at least initially, it's going to be heavy, wet, spring-style snow for us, and then it should turn lighter and fluffier as colder air moves in on Sunday. But at no point will it get as cold this weekend as it was last week.
And that's saying something.
It sure is.
All right, thank you, Ashton.